carambola tree that's got a lot of ripe fruit on it. Well, I say that, but there's definitely some yellow ones on here. I see one. Look at all these flowers. Look how much more fruit's going to be. That means that there will be fruit bearing in March for us here. Because of these flowers will turn into fruit. And look. Nope, the song was not right. The color fooled me. Look at all the fruit in here.
Beautiful.
Come in
Look
here.
at this fruit tree. Oh my God. Plentiful starfruit.
So there's some fruit on the ground that looks okay.
Let's do it.
Check this out. Look at this. This was a ground fruit. Whoops, I don't see any holes. Actually, I see one hole, but let's see what's inside. Yeah.
Ooh, beautiful.
That.
Look at that.
For people that haven't had carambola from the tropics fresh off a tree like this, may not like it and think it's sour. And it has a sourness, but it's sweet too. It's delicious. And that seed.
Oh my God, it's fantastic.
It's so good.
It's fantastic.
Fresh off the ground.
Wow, this place is special.
So there's fruit trees all over the farm, bearing fruit. This one has dozens and dozens of carambola on it. There's a mangosteen tree right there. And there's a bunch of mangosteens above us here. Fruit all over the land. So, I mean, this farm was planted with permaculture principles, and it has a lot of these. Some of these older fruit trees were planted 25 to 30 years ago, and there's been newer fruit trees planted continuously.